Hello everyone, I'm Imberk Özdemir. I'm studying on the Istanbul University. And this semester I'm taking the lesson Internet Programming 2. In our first assignment, we are talking about what are the main differences between php5 and php7. After the video finish, I will upload the YouTube and paste the link to this area. And we'll start. What are the main differences between php5 and php7? My contents, introduction, performance side, security side, compatibility, and after the documentary, I will show this syntax differences live on the PHP Sandbox, online PHP executor. Now, introduction. History of PHP. PHP was conceived sometime in the fall of 1994 by Rasmus Ledroff. Early non-released versions were used on his homepage to keep track of who looking at his online resume. The first version used by others was available sometime in 1995 and was now on the personal homepage tools. It consists of the very simplistic parser engine that only understood a few special macros and number of utilities that were in common use on homepage back then. A guestbook, a counter and some other stuff. The parser was rewritten in the mid-1995 and named php5 version 2. The FI came with from another package Ramos has written which interprets HTML from data. He combined the personal homepage tools scripts with the form interpreter and added MSQL support, and php5 was born. php5 grew at an amazing pace and people started contributing to code to it. php5 has come with Zend Engine 2, a new object model on 13 July 1904. php7 has come with Zend Engine and lots of performance improvements and 64-bit integer support on Windows. Uniform variable syntax. There is too much differences between syntax. AST-based complication process added closure call, syntax differences, and non-colors operator and spaceship model, spaceship operator. Bitwise shift consists across platform. Unicode, code point escape syntax, return type declarations. This is important. We will see in syntax differences live code part. This is very spoiler. I'm going to go performance side. Zend Engine is open source scripting engine that interrupts and compiles PHP. In PHP7, Zend Engine has refactored and improved and it's called PHP Next Generation Engine. PHP Next Generation Engine aims to provide better performance, better throughput and memory utilization. As you can see in the memory side. I think php5 and php7 is double time better. Average execute time is 22, but php5 average execute time 44. On the security side, the final branch of php5, php5.6, has reached its end of the life since 1st January 2019. See list of support page versions. I'm taking this part from Wikipedia. This means that php5 no longer has active and security support by the PHP team. So if a vulnerability is found, it will not get fixed, leaving your website vulnerable as well. Source. An example in the encryption and cryptography tools, php5 is still using encrypt, old version for php5. This is not good. In security side, always be in update. While php7 is using OpenSSL, OpenSSL is proven to have a better security, performance, maintainability, and portability than encrypt. This is why it's important to keep your PHP version up to date. Some modern PHP frameworks or extensions are only compatible with php7. The latest version of Laravel 6.x, the most popular framework for PHP, requires php7 and will not work with php5. Laravel 5.4 is the latest version of Laravel that supports php5. So if you want to use the latest version of Laravel, php7 is preferable. a good alternative. On the other hand, there are some PHP extensions that might not be ready with php7 yet. Furthermore, some functions are going to strike backward compatibility issue and as they are decrypted in php7. Each change with for each can be replaced with for each. Rec can be replaced with fragment. MySQL can be replaced with MySQL. Now we are going to write a code in PHP sandbox. In the first, I'm going to show return type declaration. For example, we have apples. What amount of apples? How many apples? We are going to write a function and I want to take the amount as a float, but I want to return like string. And we change the float total and amount to convert to string. Now test this. And we did float is converted to string, amount total 13, type 13, and this type string. Now we are going to do other big important differences. This is of course spaceship model. I don't know why I like this, but this looks amazing. As you can see, its php5 is not working. Does not work this code. Not executed. For show the spaceship model, I'm going to write a sort algorithm. A basic sort algorithm. And this is spaceship model. php7 will work this code. I'm sorry for this. It's working. I'm not going to test it, but in php5 it's not will work. You have to write other code like that. Let's go return 1. Actually, there is no any error. I think it's working. It should be about version, php5 version. Should be problem. Oh no. Okay. Should be about the version of the php5 6.22.6. And other big syntax differences is Java and C# developers know the OOP concept, anonymous classes. Anonymous classes, it was not available on php5, but in php7 we have anonymous classes. I'm not going to write this for video time. Just copying from the anonymous screen and paste it. Anonymous class is not working on the php5, but in php7 it's working. Thank you for listening me. Now I'm going to do array homework. It's finished. Thank you.